Cammed out GT500. Can we really have a quiet exhaust on something like this? All right, well, if you're new here, this is my 2013 GT500 El Choppo Jr. We had a GT500 on the channel before. It was red, it was loud. It made a lot of horsepower. And it chopped like a mofo. And we built this one as the junior car, and it definitely chops. And honestly, the exhaust is nearly perfect, except for the idle. I like it really, really choppy and loud at idle. And I wish we could retain the kind of quiet-ish, it's by no means quiet, but quiet-ish cruising. But I mean, you can't just have it all. So we're about to make my GT500 loud as possible. And I want you to comment down below what you prefer, the stock, kind of mature stock GT500 quad tip mufflers, or do you prefer the Corsa? But let's go ahead, let's hop into the install. Let's hope that these bolt right up, because I did get them used, and let's see what this thing sounds like, because it's gonna sound freaking nasty. Here's the new units, black Corsa quad tip. Got them used, and gonna be replacing those stock Johnnies. We're also in between wheel choices, because the wheels that were on here are the Marauder's wheels, and they look freaking sick, but the Marauder needs them, so we're gonna have to pick up another set of wheels, but we're probably gonna throw the Stalkers back on. And those don't hook, but you know, they'll at least get the car working. All right, so I drove the car a little bit off camera, but we're gonna see Bradley and Jared's reaction to this thing being loud AF, boy. But
put some Corsas on there, bro.
The inside is pretty good. Like driving it, windows up, AC, radio on, it's kind of good.
I will say I like the tips.
I like the tips.
They fill in.
Bradley's a big tip guy. Big tip guy.
What the heck, dude? straight pipe Coyote loud. It's also cleaner sounding than a Coyote.
Yeah. That's not bad at all. But check this out.
Yeah, that's really not much louder than it was factory.
No, the factory had quite a bit of drone.
Yeah, there's no drone.
Yeah, I mean, like cruising, AC on. This is quiet.
Yeah, this is definitely manageable.
Yeah. Jesus Christ.
That was crazy.
That was third gear. It was like half throttle.
Scary.
These tires don't really.
They don't do the hooking thing very well.
But do you see how quiet it is in here?
But yeah, it didn't even sound like you got on it. I mean, it did.
Buddy's about to crap his pants over here.
We got no traction. Just imagine if it gets traction. You'll look like me in the David Patterson video. Oh my god. Oh!
Yeah.
Not bad though. I mean, I feel like I didn't ruin the car.
No, I was worried that you might, but I think it's not bad. That cold start's pretty brutal though.
I mean, in a good way though.
Yeah. Well, you have the presence that you wanted for pulling up to the car meets now. The like 2 car meets you'll go to a year.
You know, I need to go to more car events. I just feel like I build cars more than I go anywhere. But also, rarely do the car meet videos do well. So you
Yeah,
guys need to
that's
fix
true.
that. You need to like and comment.
We're getting cooked out here, guys.
We are.
Fastest car I've been in.
Yeah.
You haven't even felt anything. This thing sounds pretty nutty. I was worried about regretting making it this loud, but it sounds gnarly. Just the chop and then the... I guess like we kind of hear less blower whine now.
Yeah, I actually didn't hear the blower that much
Again,
earlier.
we haven't done any traction. So,
Yeah, that's the problem.
Yeah, we really need to figure out the tire for this thing. Whether we're keeping on 20s or 17-inch bead locks or what. Dude, this is ridiculous. No traction.
How'd it feel back there?
Not as scary.
I told you it's not as scary back there. Up front, it's terrifying.
Zero traction on these tires. Need some 555 R2s.
Help some brothers out.
Yeah.
We'd love some Nittos.
I really do. The 555 R2 is one of the best street tires.
That was great. On the Marauder, it's fantastic. On this, it was fantastic.
Oh. All right, guys. Well, there you have it. Corsa Xtremes on El Choppo Jr. It reminds me of the OG El Choppo, and the cam sounds sick. So comment down below if you guys think I ruined the car or if you think I made it perfect, because I was really worried about making it too loud, and I don't feel like it's too loud. I do wish there was a quiet mode, you know, switching. We're kind of spoiled by these newer cars with the active exhaust, but I think it sounds pretty sick. If you guys want to hear some outside clips, go ahead and comment down below. We don't have sufficient rear tires to really get a proper flyby pull, but we can either steal the Marauder's wheels, or we're going to be working on maybe a 20-inch set of Nittos for the stock wheels, or I'll pick up some 17-inch beadlocks. I got that other VMS set, but I just really didn't like the way they looked, and the tires didn't hook at all, so kind of defeated the purpose of that impulse buy. So definitely smack the like button down below if you guys like it. Leave a comment, let us know what you think, and we'll see you guys in the next one.